Hello friends, how's it going? What we have here is the technical preview of Windows 10, which got released in October. And they're not going to release Windows 10 till probably the middle of next year. But we do have the technical preview here to take a look at. I'm running it on a virtual machine. And I will post a link on the description of the video for the Microsoft website where you can also download your own technical preview if you want to take a look at it. But here it is. And uh, right off the bat, what I notice is it looks like your freaking screen is broken. I mean, what is this stuff right here? These lines going through the screen. Some people are going to think their screen is broken. But one new thing that they introduced in Windows 10, which a lot of people were complaining about, was the start menu. Of course, the start menu. So now the start menu looks like this. When you first install Windows 10, your start menu will look kind of like a Frankenstein version of Windows 7, Windows 8, right? Here on the left-hand side, we have, what we're used to on Windows 7 and XP and all the previous Windows versions is, a start menu here with all programs and program shortcuts here you can go to. And here on the right-hand side, they have the Metro-looking apps from Windows 8. So we get kind of a mixture here. Now you can turn this off and put it back to the Metro look that Windows 8 had just by right-clicking the taskbar and clicking on Properties and then clicking on the Start Menu tab. You can unselect this checkbox here that says Use Start Menu instead of the Start Screen. You uncheck that, click Apply, and then you have to sign out and sign back in, which we'll do here. Now the sign-in window looks just like Windows 8. Let's go ahead and put in our password, log in. So after it logs in, we should have, click on the start button. Now we have the Metro looking start menu. And it looks just like Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. We still have the side menus. You can shortcut to get to it is the Windows key and the C key. Or you could swipe the screen if you have touchscreen enabled, or you're testing it on a tablet. And just like we still have the same thing here: search, share, start. What is start? Okay, start just brings you back over here. That's new. I don't think they had that in Windows 8.1. And we have devices, which takes you to printers and so forth. And we have settings, which here is where you can set your Wi-Fi or your network, whatever you might be using. I'm using a hardwire network connection, but if you can turn Wi-Fi on through here. We used to have to go through here to get to the power button, but now the power button is up here. It makes it a lot easier. I think Windows 8.1 has the power button up there too. Now let's go back to the desktop. Now the File Explorer got changed a little bit. I just want to show that real quick. It's always going to show your favorites there now, even when you go to this PC, which used to be called Computer or My Computer. Here we have the local C disk, CD drive, and always there's going to be what they added here is these extra folders which have your documents, videos, music, etc. Everything else still looks the same. Let's still go ahead and open up Internet Explorer. We are using version, so it comes right off the bat with Internet Explorer 11. Now let's check a look here. Let's see if the Internet Explorer, it looks like they don't have the Metro Internet Explorer anymore. They gave up on that, it looks like. That thing was horrible. It would take up the whole screen. So that's what's new about Windows 10. A lot of you guys, a lot of my subscribers were complaining about Solitaire. Let's go ahead and open up Solitaire. I went ahead and downloaded it from the store app, from the App Store. So what's cool now is whatever you run now, whatever app, you can actually make it, you can put it to the side, because a lot of you guys were complaining that Solitaire was taking up the whole screen. Now unfortunately we can't get the original Solitaire that was on Windows 7 and Windows XP, which we were used to. We got to get these other versions from the App Store, but at least now we can put it to the side and work on something else. If you have two screens, you can put it to the side, and that's awesome. Now they have it windowed, and Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 didn't have it that way. It would take up the whole freaking screen. It would look something like this. So you can really work on anything else while you had Solitaire on the side. So now we can do that with Windows 10, which we got to thank Microsoft for that. We gotta thank them for listening to our requests. Now it's not letting me get out of here. I'm just gonna right click the taskbar, click on show the desktop to get the heck out of it. Looks like Simple Solitaire is messing up on me. Now the thing with this technical preview is it has a lot of bugs, but here we are. We're back. So that's all I could tell that's different with Windows 10. Like I said, it's still the technical preview. They have the search function here. I haven't tested it out yet. I'm opening it for the first time. Let's see what it does. That's another new thing that I noticed here. Like I said, they're going to be releasing Windows 10 probably by the middle of next year, 2015. Oh, you can search for things that are trending and stuff like that. But again, if you guys want to change it back to the start menu, you just right click the taskbar, go to properties. Running kind of slow. Click on the start menu tab, and there you can change it to be back to the start menu. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just wanted to show you guys real quick these new features that Windows 10 has. You know, now everything's windowed, which is a lot better. They have the new start menu, which is good. So it looks like they're listening to us now, the users, and you know, all the complaints we were saying and everything. They fixed it now. So Windows 10 is looking up. Look, you know, it reminds me of Windows 7, so that's a good thing because a lot of people stick with Windows 7 because they didn't like Windows 8. The thing is, with this new operating system, which is 8 and 10, is they have the cloud. Windows 7 did not have the cloud, but now with Windows 8, the new operating system, Windows 10, this one here, we have the cloud, which means you can go to your friend's computer across the world, log into your Microsoft account, and you can access all your files. You can access all your Word files because they're on the, you know, whatever you can work, all your work files you can access from around the world, around the country. So that's what this new operating system is all about. It's not about this fancy Metro and all that. It is, you know, it is about all this, but at the same time, it's so you can be able to access your stuff from your drive, your OneDrive account from the Microsoft account on the cloud. All right, that's what it's all about. That's what Microsoft is trying to do here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm always uploading new videos. I know I haven't uploaded any videos in a while, but now I'm going to start doing it again a lot more now. So subscribe guys if you haven't subscribed, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good day guys. And don't forget to comment on the comment section if you have any questions or you have any comments on this new Windows 10. Let me know what you think. Let us all know what you think, all the subscribers. Alright guys. Have a good rest of your day.